Today is all about conditioning. Well, talking about it at least. I see dancers try to just run drills, and this is going in two directions. We tend to run drills on, I'll use pirouettes for an example. If we have a challenge step, oftentimes we just do it on repeat. So if a dancer is having a challenge with their pirouettes and they're just not getting it, I see them just keep trying to run a pirouette over and over and over again, expecting some kind of a miracle to happen and just get it. That's where frustration comes in, and that's not always advantageous for us. I also see dancers try to do conditioning drills over and over and over again because it's just a key point that we think is so important that we neglect other conditioning aspects. And so for that, I'll use like ballet sit ups for an example. I'll hear that dancers go home and just practice nothing but ballet sit ups. They'll just do them endlessly. We're talking like hundreds a day, every single day. Or they practice the splits every single day for like ever and ever. And then come back and go, I'm not getting my splits. I hurt so bad and I had to miss class because I was in so much pain. That's not advantageous either. So these two things are really important to talk about because it's part of training better. When you're practicing for a certain step, again, going back to things like the pirouettes, you want to break down what you need in order to do it. And so we need to condition our bodies. And this comes in different ways. With a pirouette, you need to be able to hold a balance in passe. So you need to condition your body for that first. You need to be able to find that balance flat because you're not going to get it on releve without it being flat. And then from there, you need to find that balance on releve. You need to train your head for how to spot. You need to train your ankles for your support and your feet so you know how to utilize the floor. You need to strengthen your turnout so that way your legs are where they belong. You need to strengthen all the muscles in your legs so that they can support you and not be bent, unless, of course, your working leg is bent for a pirouette. All these different things come into play. The other side of that comes down to like the conditioning. Whatever you do to one side of your body, you should be doing to the other so that way you're balanced. And especially for us dancers, we need to train our bodies in very specific ways to make sure that it's working for what we need in dance. Our conditioning is not the same as what one would do if they are training for football. They can go hand in hand, but a football player is going to train differently than a dancer. When it comes down to how you do that, you want to think again, working your surrounding muscles, the supporting muscles, all of these different things. And you don't want to just get stuck in a rut and drill one thing over and over. This goes back to the whole you're going to create fatigue. You can really injure your body if you keep doing that. It's just not healthy. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about rehearsing. I will see you then.